Hi friends, come with us today to B-Bop's Burgers, one of the best burger places in the U.S. that nobody outside of Des Moines knows of. So from the drive-thru on the passenger side, you can see into where they have this little conveyor belt grill, and it has like an open flame. And trust me when I say that when you eat this cheeseburger, you know it's been cooked over a flame. It is so good. It has that char flavor that you get. It's excellent. Can't wait.
All ready, you guys go?
Thank you. Have a good one. We're going to dig in and taste this char goodness. All right, friends, here we go. Imagine it's a thinner burger. It's not super thick, it's super juicy. You could taste the char on it. They usually put lettuce, onion, tomato, pickles. All of those are excellent toppings. You can taste every one. Just phenomenal. Highly recommend. We did the French fries next. Ooh, they are hot, and I do mean hot. One time we went to a comedian, and the comedian said the best fries are the ones in the bag. I truly believe it. So this is a large fry from B-Bop's. The fries are crispy, soft inside. They are delicious. A large fry is more than plenty. These are piping hot, just came out of the fryer. So I gotta put them down because they're burning my fingers. And they're good and salty, but not overly salty. I would say, and this is coming from a girl who's a fan of McDonald's fries, they give McDonald's a run for their money. Overall, good job, B-Bop's. I don't eat ketchup, so I didn't get any ketchup. Typically get ranch, but I forgot to order that. So their ranch here is phenomenal. So that's my review of B-Bop's. I highly recommend you get out there and try one. We are in the Des Moines area. B-Bop's has about 6 locations around the metro. So if you're in the area, give them a try. She loves a French fry. Oh, look at that.